Hey there, fellow gardeners! Want to turn your kitchen scraps and yard waste into black gold for your garden? You're in the right place. Today I'll show you how easy it is to build a compost bin in your backyard. No fancy tools or expensive materials needed. First, let's talk supplies. All you need is a large plastic storage bin with a lid and a drill. If you want to get creative, try pallets, wire mesh, or old wooden slats. But the plastic bin method is perfect for beginners. Drill holes all around the sides, bottom, and lid for airflow. This helps your compost break down faster. Place your bin somewhere shady but easy to reach. Add a mix of greens and browns, veggie peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells for greens, dry leaves, shredded newspaper, and cardboard for browns. Moisten the pile so it's damp, not soggy. Every week or so, give the bin a good shake or stir to mix things up. Want to speed things up? Add worms. Red wigglers are composting superstars. They break down food scraps faster and create nutrient-rich castings. Just place a handful of red wigglers on top of your compost. They'll burrow down and get to work. Feed your worms fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and crushed eggshells. Avoid meat, dairy, and oily foods. Keep the bin moist but not soggy, and make sure there's airflow. Mist with water if dry, or add dry bedding if too wet. Check on your worms every week to make sure they're thriving. In a couple of months, you'll have beautiful, crumbly compost. Your plants will thank you for it, so don't toss those scraps, compost them. It's sustainable, easy, and honestly, kind of addictive. Thanks for joining me today. Happy gardening.